Sunwing 424 clearance.
Go ahead, sir.
ATC clears the Sunwing 424 to the Punta Cana Airport via Val-d'Or Airport, Val-d'Or VOR, Ottawa VOR, flight plan route, climb 5,000 feet, depart runway 36, code 605.
Sunwing 424 is clear to Punta Cana, Val-d'Or Airport, via Val-d'Or VOR, Ottawa VOR, departure time 5,000 feet, and runway 36 for departure, box 6205.
Confirm after Ottawa VOR, it's a flight plan route.
I confirm for after Ottawa flight plan route running 424 and we execute the right turn to Ottawa VOR.
Roger, read that correct.